How to make your Wix website look great on all screen sizes so it works perfectly on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. First, open your Wix website in the editor. At the top, you'll see options to switch between desktop view and mobile view, so click on Mobile View to see how your site appears on smaller screens. Next, check all your text, images, buttons, and other elements to make sure nothing is overlapping or cut off. You can resize, move, or even hide elements specifically for mobile without affecting the desktop version. Wix also offers strips, containers, and flexible layouts that automatically adjust to different screen sizes, so consider using them for sections of your site. Finally, always click Preview and test your site on multiple screen sizes before publishing to ensure everything looks perfect. And that's it! Your Wix website will now fit all screens beautifully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.